What's the meaning of Air Vice-Marshal? Air Vice-Marshal. Air Vice-Marshal. Air Vice-Marshal. Air Vice-Marshal. Air Vice-Marshal.
Air Vice-Marshal is a military rank used in the air forces of many countries, including the United Kingdom, Australia, and India. It is equivalent to a 2-star rank and is typically held by a senior officer who holds administrative and operational responsibilities in the Air Force. The rank is above Air Commodore and below Air Marshal. Air Vice-Marshal is an important rank in any Air Force and is responsible for overseeing the work of subordinate officers, managing resources and equipment, and ensuring effective execution of air operations.